Okay, today we have the 12-inch Meade light bridge. So I want to see now if this starsense that I put on is going to be accurate and work. Now, in the next few videos coming up, I should have this blocker up. Today I just want to test it and see, is it kind of accurate? And we'll go from there. So let's try this big bad boy out. Actually, there is one more thing I have to do. The last video that I did this guy, I used a spray paint varnish. I don't like it, so I bought the actual varnish in a can. I'm gonna roll it. It's not as smooth as I like it. Anyway, let's get to this video. I want to see how accurate it is, but I'm gonna need my phone on the docking thing. So let's try it out and see how accurate the starsense is. Or do I need to adjust this docking station on it? Anyway, guys, I'll see you in a bit. Okay, so I got good news for you guys. So, the starsense actually works fine. The way I put it on the last video, with the front completely down, the middle completely down, and it's actually level. I remember this part over here, I don't know if you can see it, the back is raised just a tad, but the rest of it is really on level with the tube, so it worked fine. I tried it on Jupiter, it went. Saturn, it was there. The Pleiades, Uranus, Neptune, everything was there. So it seems to be good. Collimation was way off. I mean, I could see Jupiter, but it was kind of fuzzy. So I just put my laser to it. I know it's not perfect collimation, but at least now the laser I know is pointing in the middle of the mirror, but I just didn't rebound it back to the middle. So collimation's good, but it's not perfect, but it was just a test today. Everything seems to be working. The with the Orion, you know that counterweight bar that I showed you guys? I need it, but the balancing works perfect. So that counterweight bar there that you guys saw me before works perfect. Even with the 56 millimeter Meade 2-inch Super Plaza light piece, it was fine. Balancing's fine. Moving it is okay. So I guess I can start hunting for deep sky stuff, at least clusters and maybe some globular clusters once I finish building this blocker thing. That will help a lot. But the Dobsonian worked good. The starsense is fine. Everything was aligned. I got to tweak, I guess, next time. Now, right now I'm on the concrete pad of the patio, just because I wanted more clear view of the south thing to go over the fence. But there was a lot of stuff that I should have put in the middle of the grass, and I would have more of a wide field view. But that's okay, I'll do that next time. Today was just a quick test. The only bad thing is, let me get this. The only bad thing is, if I use my phone on the starsense, then I can't record myself while doing the video like I normally do. So it means I need like two phones. I think I still have my Android, I think it was 5 or something like that. I don't think it's gonna work. I'm gonna need, and I don't know what I'll do. Maybe I look for an iPhone 11 type of thing, what I used to have the last couple years. I sold mine, what was it, about a year ago? Or something like that, for about 400 bucks Canadian. So maybe if I can find an iPhone 10, an iPhone 11, for maybe now it'd be 300 bucks or something like that, 250, 275. Or maybe just borrow one of Angela's, has like 3, a couple old ones, or actually no, one is gone now. Then that way I can record myself while I use the starsense and then show you guys. So even from a light polluted zone like this, in a Bordeaux 8 zone or a white zone, you could still see a lot. Again, you're not going to see those galaxies and stuff like that, but that's not what you should be looking in this type of light pollution. But at least I can confirm everything works as good as like should. Putting the StarSense dock on a big Dob does work, and it does align, and it does find it. There we go. I'll see you next time on the next video. Joe Jaguar. Like, comment, subscribe. Why not you? Why not me? Guys, listen. If you guys are still gonna be, I've heard people like, oh, the SE, that was a great go-to system. Listen, all I have to say is if you guys are still looking for a go-to system, forget the traditional way. I'm telling you, once you align this once, okay? And next time you bring it out, you just put still aligned and you just get going. It's literally 10 seconds. Every other go-to out there, once you turn it off, let's say, for instance, the LX90, for the SE, the Celestron, once you turn it off, the next time you have to go through the whole alignment procedure, the time, the date, the year, Central Time, Eastern Time, all that. Is it daylight savings time? Find your 2-3 stars and latitude, longitude, all that. It's at least a 10-minute alignment procedure. And a lot of people get it wrong, especially the brand new people. Get this thing that I showed you guys, okay? Just get... Okay, I'm not going to say steal or borrow or buy a cheap entry StarSense like I did. Take it and put it on a bigger Dob. If you want to do that, that's up to you. I don't want to get some Celestron and them telling me I'm a YouTube. I should be asking people to buy their product. So if you want, buy the 8-inch StarSense, the 10-inch StarSense, whatever. But it's amazing. It's so fast and easy, and the accuracy is very good. And it's always aligned. So the next time I go out, I just turn it on, still aligned, and I get going. Literally seconds. So if you guys are thinking about a go-to, just forget about the old traditional go-to that was loved, even by me and many others. I love the SE for its portability and power, but this is a game changer. You gotta try it. Look, that's why I'm actually putting this at the end of the video. I just can't stress enough. If you guys are looking for go-to, if you guys live in the city, as I promote Joe Jaguar City Observing, this will be the best thing you can do. So if you want to observe in the city and you don't want to go through all the headaches and all that, just get the 8-inch or 10-inch StarSense Dob, or if you want to do what I did, whatever, just get it. It's just the simplest thing. I think everybody is going to start to come around to this type of thing and just use your phone, because your phone is already, all the settings on your phone are like to your location. So it already knows the time, the date, the Eastern Daylight Savings Time. It knows exactly where you are. So all you have to do is align it once, which is literally a few minutes, and you're up and going. So stop, fooling around. If you guys are serious about go-to in the city or even in the dark, this thing's amazing, the app and the thing. That's it.